breathtaking.
Oh, stop bluffing.
What if Jim's disappeared?
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh yeah!
What will I do?
Everyone died. The end.
Firstly, if Jim's
Magic.
bodybuilding shows like
The Upside Down Show!
may have to shut down.
Yes, but actually no.
You're adopted!
Secondly, if
Cat.
Jim's disappeared, gym trainers as well as gym owners will have to
Die.
You stupid.
if Jim's disappeared. Lastly, gyms many a times turn out to
Shut up. Nope.
I think it's time for you to lose some weight, fatty!
on the firstly, if gyms disappeared, many people. Secondly, many
Shut up and
Nope.
take my money!
Nope.